The rational function f is defined by an equation in the form f of x equals to a over x positive b, where a and b are constants. The partial graph of y equals to f of x is shown. If g of x equals to f of x positive 4, which equation could define function g? Okay, here we have to get the function g of x, and the function g is defined in terms of f. So to get the function g of x, we need the function f. Okay, the function f is given over here, but it contains two unknown constants a and b. So only if I know the values of these two unknown constants a and b, I can know the function f of x completely. Then I'll be able to find the function g of x. Okay, to get the values of the two unknown constants a and b, let's consider the graph of the function f of x we have over here. Consider any 2 points on the graph of the function f of x so that both x coordinate and y coordinate are integers. Okay, now let me consider the point we have over here. Here the x coordinate is -7 and the y coordinate is -2. The point over here is -7, -2. Both x coordinate and y coordinate are integers. Now let's consider the point we have over here. The x coordinate is -6 and the y coordinate is -3. Then the point is -6, -3. Now let's take the function f of x, and the question says y equals to f of x. So we can replace this f of x by y. Then the function f of x will become y equals to a over x positive b. Okay, now let's take these 2 points in Desmos. Click on the position over here, go to table. Let's take the 2 points we have on the graph of the function f of x. That is -7, -2, and the second point is -6, -3. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to take this equation in Desmos, and my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the values of the unknown constants a and b. In that case, when I take this equation in Desmos, for y I have to use y1, for equal sign I have to use the tilde symbol, for x I have to use x1. Okay, let me take this equation in Desmos. That is for y we have to take y1, and for equal sign we have to take tilde. Then a over for x we have to take x1 positive b. Here I got the values of the two unknown constants a and b. A equals to 6 and b equals to 4. Okay, now let me write the function f of x with these values of a and b. So for a, let's plug in 6, and for b we have to plug in 4. That is we have x positive 4 in denominator. Okay, our aim is to get the function g of x. That is we have g of x equals to f of x positive 4. Okay, g of x equals to, this is the stuff we have for f of x. Now to get the stuff for f of x positive 4, we have to plug in this x positive 4 for x over here. Then we get 6 over x positive 4 positive 4. Then I'm getting g of x equals to 6 over, when I simplify this one, I am getting x positive 8. Here I got the function g of x, that is g of x equals to 6 over x positive 8. I find this one in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.